and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start the current affairs in English of the 3rd November 2022. So first of all, we will discuss about the questions that I have given in the last video, that is every day in the last of video I am giving the one question. So first of all we will discuss the solution of that question. The question was, who is known as the missile woman of India? Option is Muthia Vanitha, option B is Anuradha TK, option C is the Tessie Thomas, option D is the Ritu Karidhal. So the correct option is option C, Tessie Thomas. She was known as the Missile Woman of India. She was known as the Missile Woman of India. Missile Woman of India. So correct option is option C. Next, we will discuss about the national current affairs news. If you are new to this channel, so please subscribe this channel so that you will get the notification. So in national current affairs news, first is the Government of India has approved the electronics manufacturing cluster at the Ranjangaon, which is located in the Maharashtra. So Ranjangaon is located in the Maharashtra, in which Government of India has approved the establishment of the manufacturing cluster. So electronics manufacturing cluster is to be developed in the Ranjangaon area of Maharashtra. Next is the BAC Technology. BAC Technology has launched the KYC registration agency. The BAC Technologies has announced that the launch of KYC registration agency, that is KRA, that maintains the KYC records of the investors in the electronics form. And BAC Technology is the subsidiary of BAC, and KYC is mandatory for investment in the securities market. So BAC Technology has announced the launch of KYC registration agency that maintains the KYC record of investors in the electronics form. And without KYC, one cannot do investment in the securities market. Next is the National Tribal Dance Festival has begins in the Raipur, Chhattisgarh. So in Raipur, Chhattisgarh, on occasion of State Foundation Day, that is on 1st of November in 2000, Chhattisgarh was formed from the Madhya Pradesh. So, and Chhattisgarh becomes the 23rd state of India. 23rd state of India. So, as a part of the State Foundation Day, it will host the 3rd National Tribal Dance Festival in Raipur, and the National Tribal Dance Festival will be celebrated from 1st November to 3rd November 2022. Next is the Arunachal Pradesh. In Arunachal Pradesh, the center has approved the establishment of the first fish museum in the northeast region. So the first fish museum will be built in the Arunachal Pradesh, and it will be the first fish museum of northeast, and it will also used for the training center for the fish farmers. Means fish farmers will get benefited after establishing this museum. So the first fish museum of Northeast is to be built in the Arunachal Pradesh. Next, we will discuss about the international news. So in the international news, first is the Ghana is the African country who assumes the presidency of United Nations Security Council, and the West African country Ghana has assumed the rotating monthly presidency of United Nations Security Council. Next is the after acquiring the Twitter, the Elon Musk has announced that the person who are having Twitter blue tick will have to pay a monthly cost of $8. So now the blue tick verified account of the Twitter has to pay $8 a month. That is announced by the Elon Musk. Next is the Google has buy the AI avatar startup Alter for $100 million. So the Google has announced that they have acquired the AI based avatar startup, that is Alter. So mainly the Google has buy the Alter to improve its content game and compete with the TikTok. So Google has acquired the AI based startup that is known as Alter. Next we shall discuss about the awards related news. So the Union Home Minister Special Operation Medal has been awarded to the 63 officers, that is from the different states, that is from Maharashtra, Delhi, Punjab, Telangana and Jammu and Kashmir for the year 2022. So these 63 police officers from these states has been awarded with the Union Home Minister's Special Operation Medals. Next is the PM of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, has honors the Friends of Liberation War to the Edward M. Kennedy. So, Friends of Liberation War honor has been given to the Edward M. Kennedy, that is announced by the PM of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina. Posthumously, this is given to the Edward M. Kennedy. Next, we shall discuss about the science and technology related news. So, SpaceX has launched the first Falcon Heavy mission after 3 years. So, this is the first time after more than 3 years the SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket has been launched from the Florida. Next, we shall discuss about the appointment related news. So, in appointment related news, the first woman director, Dr. G. Hema Prabha, has taken the charge at the ICAR SBI. So, ICAR Sugarcane Breeding Institute has got its first ever woman director since the establishment of this institute. So, Dr. G. Hema Prabha has been appointed as the director of ICAR Sugarcane Breeding Institute. Next, we shall discuss about the important days celebrated. So, in this, first is the CSIR NISC PR celebrates the International Open Access Week 2022, and the International Open Access Week is celebrated to create the awareness about open access scholarly publishing among researchers and publishers by the CSIR and NISC PR, and it is celebrated globally during the last full week of October. Next is the Central Vigilance Awareness Week is observed from the 31st October to 6th of November. And this year, the Vigilance Awareness Week is being observed from 31st October to 6th of November with the theme Corruption Free India for a Developed Nation. The theme is Corruption Free India for a Developed Nation. Next is the International Day to End Impunity for Crimes Against Journalists has been celebrated on 2nd of November every year, and this day is to celebrated to end the impunity for crime against journalists since 2013, and this was first celebrated in 2013 when United Nations General Assembly had passed the resolution in 2013. And theme for this year, International Day to End Impunity for Crime Against Journalists, is Protecting Media to Protect Democracy. This is the theme for this year. And so this year's slogan is Knowing the Truth is Protecting the Truth. Slogan is Knowing the Truth is Protecting the Truth. Next, we shall discuss about the sports related news. So, the Formula 1 racing in Mexican Grand Prix 2022, the Max Verstappen has won the Mexican Formula 1 GP 2022, and in this season he has won the 14th title of Grand Prix. So, Max Verstappen has won the Mexican Formula 1 Grand Prix 2022. This is the current affairs of the 3rd of November. Next, in the last, we are giving one question. So, today question is Minikoy, Thandi Beach and Kadmat Beach, which were added to the list of blue flag beaches are located in which state or union territories? The Minicoy, Thandi Beach and Kadmat Beach, which were added to the list of blue flag beaches, are located in which state or union territory? Option is A. Maharashtra, B. Kerala, C. Lakshadweep, D. Andaman and Nicobar. So please give the answer of this question in the comment section. I will provide the answer in the next video tomorrow. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel also.